Now to other news today. We learned many new details today in the murder of a prominent doctor in Barrington. And today, the man accused of killing Dr. Olga Duchan made his first court appearance. NBC5's Courtney Sisk is here with what was revealed in the courtroom that left the doctor's family speechless. Courtney.
Hi, Alex. It was clear in court today that the defense attorneys are going to try to make a case that he shot her in self-defense and that she brought the gun to his residence. Her family, though, was visibly shocked by those allegations.
Family and friends of endocrinologist Olga Duchan silent as they walked out of the Rolling Meadows courthouse Wednesday, just 3 days after their loved one was shot and killed. Prosecutors said William Zentek and Duchan were in a relationship together in 2021 and shared a 3-year-old daughter, but their relationship ended shortly after, and Duchan filed an order of protection against him that same year, fearing for her life. They maintain there was an argument between the two at Zentek's Barrington home and that he used a bat to hit her in the head twice before shooting and killing her. But his defense team is now painting a different picture.
She was to come over to the house to see the child. When she did, she ended up having a gun. She ended up pointing it in my client's direction, and that's when he used an adequate amount of self-defense to protect himself.
They also claim he filed a police report the day before alleging the child was molested by someone close to Duchan and that he wanted full custody. Their daughter was present when the shooting happened, and the defense says the 3-year-old told police she saw the gun in her mom's hand.
One of the things that is really sad are the children who have to be impacted by a lot of the violence that's happening in homes.
LaTanya Walker is the chief director at Wings Program, an organization in the area that helps domestic abuse survivors.
For us, we really go back to power and control. So where was the power and where was the control in this relationship? We know that there's an order of protection from a few years ago, and so what kind of history did we have with that? And you know, what was there really self-defense, or do we have a victim who was protecting herself at the time?
And of course, the court process will bring out all of those details. The defense says they will subpoena conversations between the two through an app they used called Talking Parent to see what conversations they had leading up to the shooting. The judge ruled today Zentek is a danger and should remain detained. His indictment is December 13th.